This isn't Hollywood. This is real. Nature doesn't warn, it strikes. What you're about to see are raw, unfiltered disasters that people barely escaped from. Are you ready? Stop scrolling. If raw, jaw-dropping nature moments fire you up, hit subscribe right now. Don't miss the next one. It's even crazier. Within 2 minutes, a dry area was suddenly flooded by a powerful wave. No one was injured, but the memory of this natural force will stay with them forever.
Oh my god, second avalanche of the day, that was serious.
Vacationing tourists were hit with pure fear as an avalanche raced toward their camp. For a moment, many feared they wouldn't survive.
Get out, get out.
A giant landslide ripped through a riverbank in Vietnam, consuming hundreds of meters of land. 16 homes stood there, but luckily, no one was hurt. The cause? A powerful underwater whirlpool. On July 10, 2023, torrential rains in Kulu, India unleashed a massive flood. It was a terrifying showcase of nature's raw power. A breathtaking natural moment straight from the landscapes of Hawaii.
Ёлки-палки. О, блин, на сковородке народ. Ай-яй-яй. Блин, мимо бы прошла.
A fire tornado and blazing inferno were caught on camera during the Chaparral fire in California. At the time, over 450 acres had already burned. Evacuations were ordered to protect nearby communities. If you're still watching, You're clearly into this. Tap like and subscribe so you never miss these jaw-dropping moments. Actual CCTV footage, capturing the exact moment a volcano erupted. After years of dormancy, a volcano in Grindavik, Iceland erupted violently. Lava spewed up to 50 meters in the air from a 2.5-kilometer fissure. Over 3,800 people were affected as the eruption lit up the sky. A tornado suddenly touched down over a Russian airport. It caused over 2.4 million in damages and looked even scarier from the ground. Even from above, this footage is spine-chilling. It's hard to imagine what those on the boats must have gone through.
We better get out of here.
These Italian workers noticed signs of collapse and ran, just in time. Moments later, 350 cubic meters of rock came crashing down. This lava flow may look slow, but it's unstoppable. Everything in its way is reduced to rubble. The brown color of the water reveals this isn't just any stream. It's a powerful mudslide. These tourists in the Andes nearly got caught while taking a risky shortcut, but were able to escape in time. Nearby residents were fortunate. This event only led to a road closure. It could have ended much worse. Water and fire. This was such a tight battle. Which side would you pick as the winner? The surveillance video captured a tornado moving through and over Kansas. This is the CBO volcano in Chile, erupting with a smoke plume over 6.5 miles high. An awe-inspiring spectacle. This is just the beginning. Subscribe, turn on the bell, and drop a comment below, because the next video might just blow your mind. Don't miss it.